Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Join Julia on her shopping adventure to find the perfect dress for a friend's birthday party. Julia needs a new dress. It is for a friend's birthday party. It is Saturday afternoon. Julia goes to the mall. The mall is big and busy. It has many stores. She walks into her favorite clothing store. The store is bright and colorful. A friendly saleswoman smiles at her. "Let me know if you need help," she says warmly. Julia looks at different dresses. She sees a red dress. It is bright and bold. She also sees a black dress. It is simple and elegant. Then she sees a blue dress with flowers. It is beautiful and cheerful. Julia picks the blue one. She walks to the fitting room. It is small but cozy. Julia tries on the blue dress. She looks in the mirror. I like the color," she says, but she feels it is too big. Julia asks the saleswoman, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" The saleswoman nods. "Yes, let me check," she replies. A moment later, she comes back with the right size. Julia tries it on again. "Perfect," she says happily. Next, Julia looks for shoes. She sees black heels. They are stylish. She sees white sneakers. They look comfortable. She also sees gold sandals. They shine brightly. Julia chooses the gold sandals. "These match the dress," she thinks with a smile. After that, Julia looks for accessories. She finds a shiny necklace. It looks lovely. She also sees a small handbag. It is cute and stylish. She decides to buy both. At the counter, the cashier asks, "Did you find everything?" Julia smiles and says, "Yes, thank you." She pays with her card. The cashier gives her a bright shopping bag. Back home, Julia tries everything on again. She looks in the mirror and feels happy. "This will be a fun night," she says to herself, excited for the party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.